Hi, welcome to my first PC build games test.
I feel like breakdancing.
What's up guys, Saucetech here, hope your day is going well. So today we'll be going through my first PC build games test. I had a bunch of games that I had in mind. I posted in my community post and one person commented to add Minecraft Java Edition with shaders, and he also said to post a newer Call of Duty as well, so I downloaded Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. If you're new here and you haven't seen any of my videos before, hi, welcome. This is my first PC build and the link for it will be on the top right or the description. Also, I do make monthly wallpapers free for you. And bad news, I know I said I would do Black Ops 2, but for some reason DirectX was not working. The error's right here on the screen. Anyway, let's get started with Rogue Company in 4K max settings. I really like this game, so if you guys want to see more gameplay of this, let me know. So each game will get 1 minute of gameplay. On the top right, you'll see the name of the game, the resolution, and graphics settings. On the top left, you'll see more details about the components in the PC.
I can't buy a gun. I gotta like take it to his gun.
This was my first time playing Modern Warfare 2 on PC, and it was actually amazing. I enjoyed it a lot. I don't play Warzone, so you won't see any Warzone gameplay. Sorry.
Enemy is taking Alpha. Taking effective fire. We are taking Bravo. We are taking Charlie. Changing man. Friendly care package on the way. Grenade! Location updated. Capture the hardpoint. Fast hands activated. Contact! That's the man.
I don't know if you can uncap the frame rate on GTA 5, but yeah, it was 60 frames per second at 4K max settings.
Dumb fucking cops! Get down! You want to look at the face of death? Be my guest. Wrong profession! Move! 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 Shit! Drop it, prick! Get out of the way or suffer the consequence! Get in their faces! Come on, guys! You shouldn't have been a cop! Fuck these guys! Move! We're coming through! Blame the pricks who called you out here! We bring it to them!
I'm not good at Fortnite, so this was the best gameplay I got. Also, you'll see at medium settings, 4K, we do get good frame rates, so I'll most likely be playing at 4K medium settings. On console, I was actually really decent at Rocket League. On PC, I have to get used to it. This was my first time playing Valorant. I do see the hype around this game. This game is actually really nice.
Let's go.
Spike down, attacker spawn. Good attempt. One enemy remaining.
Watch your eyes! Watch your eyes! Going up! Keep yourself together. You can't fall apart now.
Okay, can somebody tell me why it takes so long to kill someone in Apex Legends? I can't seem to get used to it.
Reloaded.
Squad, adjust your strategy.
Enemy taken out.
I do love the character calls though.
The superior fighter. Let's put you in a bind.
Far distance. 1 minute remains. Reloading. I'm taking fire.
I'm spotted. Taking fire. Enemy down. Enemy down. Ring ain't close. Enemy killed. Reload.
Your package over there.
Half the squads are left.
Placing a portal.
This was my first time playing Counter-Strike. I really did get humbled. Yeah, I'm not in the big leagues yet, so.
Throw in the flashbang. Throw in the flashbang. Throw in the flashbang.
Also, this is my first time playing Minecraft. It's unbelievable, but this is my first time playing Minecraft, and I have no idea what to do in this game. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you would like to see some other games or some comment suggestions about what I can do to improve this PC. And that'll be all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.